Do you know why we yawn? It's not just because we're tired or bored. That big, deep breath might be your brain's secret weapon for staying cool. For a long time, scientists thought yawning was about getting more oxygen to the brain, but recent studies suggest something even more interesting. Yawning might actually be your body's built-in air conditioner. When we yawn, the deep intake of cool air and the stretching of our jaw muscles can increase blood flow to the brain, helping to lower its temperature. Think about it, you're less likely to yawn when the air around you is warm, right? But on a cool day, a good yawn can feel super refreshing. It's like your brain is hitting the reset button to stay alert and focused. So next time you can't stop yawning, it might just be your brain trying to chill out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool facts.